I forgot I had to restart the modem and the router in between making this start of the video. So here it is now. It has a new IP number. This is a local IP address. It's nothing to do with internet. It's not connected to internet at all. So nobody can go in. So here you see is now 4.99. So I know which address I have to put in it. So now I'm watching on the VNC viewer and then in the browser of my other computer to be able to record. And here you see this now is one local address. Here you can set the speed settings and everything for this system. And here I can go and upload files. So this time it should work. And I go to my network again. So here you see the file. I open it and it is now there, I think. Here it is. So this file is the one that will be needed later. But before running, I have to set it up that it will be installed. So I have to install the little center drill and of course put it in the collet and go to the 0 position. So you'll see that on another video. So now I go to the second file. I already made it and now I'm going to load it. So here I am back in the screen of the other computer, as I told before. So I do another upload. That will be 102, and I select it here. Everything should be on the same place, still on the right place. So I can, and you hear the spindle is running, so just press start and it should be going there. If it is. And since I already have this center drill first one, so I can now just use a duplicate. As you see here, I can just go a duplicate and it will be there. I don't need that on the center. It doesn't matter where I put it, but you can also move them if you want, of course. So I can just move the copy. This is the copy, I think. Yes, there's still 2 out. And you can make a copy of it, and because it's now 2. So this will be possible. Just edit these ones and I will have it. As you can see it here on where you can here see on the screen where it is shown, of course. And change it to the other drill. So after changing the name, I can now just go to here and edit this second one. And I can go select another tool, which of course again out of the library. And I think I got it here. The drills, I got a 3mm drill there. And I will do it a couple of times with the same setup, but then I will change the drill settings. Okay. So I will select this one. And then of course I will see the speed, which is much too high in this case also, so I will go a lot slower. I will just go to 60 with this quite a lot lower, but that's probably okay. And retraction can stay up to 80. And still no coolant, of course. So that is probably most of these settings. I will check it and then come back. So I've changed a little things for this drill to work. So here I put it the same height, but I put the bottom height and also the drill tip through bottom to make sure that it's completely round. And I will go like 1 millimeter probably. As you can see, this is the depth it goes through. So now 0, so it should be just through it, so it should be enough. But maybe I go a bit more, just to make sure it goes through. I use a sacrificial plate anyway, so it will go all the way through. Same, also make it in the cycling. I use the deep cycling type now with the packing depth, so it will not go in one go, but go up and down. Of course, it's not really deep, but for this machine, it is already a bit deep, so we'll make different movements a couple of times. So it will take longer, that's for sure, but it will probably leave a much better surface and make probably pretty sure that it is working and safely. I could go a bit much further, but yeah, okay. I will see. Maybe go to 2 millimeters. The packing depth will be enough for this, for sure. For 3 millimeter drill in aluminium, which already is a pre-drilled hole. So, and then slowly go down in steps. As you know, it is 50 millimeter, so this will be going down in a lot of steps. And linking is not really important in this time. So that will make us the second go. And I can go as many times as I want, so probably run it first with the 3 millimeter, then with the 4 millimeter drill, and then with the 5 it is needed to make the threads later. And here you see what it's doing with when it is making this toolpad. So this is simulating, of course. You see it going down, going up, going down, going up, going down, going up. A lot of times just to go through this little hole, you see the set position changing. And so it will make these little holes. So with a bit of luck, that will be going well.
Voor meer video's over 3D-printen en de gerelateerde onderwerpen zoals het slijpen, milling, alle CNC en dergelijke, ga naar www.patreon.com/elvinhaak. En hier zijn meer van mijn video's te vinden dan op YouTube, minder beperkingen en vaak ook maanden eerder ter beschikking voor de wat langere series. Ook zijn hier diverse gerelateerde downloads beschikbaar die bij de video's horen. Je kan ook kijken op Facebook, 3D-printer beginners Nederland, Nix Reality wel aan het Octoprint, etc. Dat is een aparte pagina. Mijn homepage is www.elfiets.nl/3dprint, YouTube @el3dprint. En als je deze video's interessant en of leuk vindt, klik je op het duimpje en abonneer je of volg op de hoogte gehouden worden. Je kan altijd nog vragen stellen via de Facebookpagina of dus aan de onderkant van deze video's. Tot de volgende video. Voor meer video's over 3D printen en de gerelateerde onderwerpen zoals het slijpen, milling, alle CNC en dergelijke, ga naar www.patreon.com/elvinhaak en hier zijn meer van mijn video's te vinden dan op YouTube, minder beperkingen en vaak ook maanden eerder ter beschikking voor de wat langere series. Ook zijn hier diverse gerelateerde downloads beschikbaar die bij de video's horen. Je kan ook kijken op Facebook, 3D Printer Beginners Nederland, Nix Reality wel aan het Octoprint, etc. Dat is een aparte pagina. Mijn homepage is www.elfiets.nl/3dprint, YouTube @el3dprint. En als je deze video's interessant en of leuk vindt, klik je op het duimpje en abonneer je of volg op de hoogte gehouden worden. Je kan altijd nog vragen stellen via de Facebookpagina of dus aan de onderkant van deze video's. Tot de volgende video.